Hey guys, today we are going to learn that how we can enter radio button or check boxes in Excel sheet. It is very important when we have a form kind of format where we want others to choose one particular option or multiple option. Then we should use radio button or check boxes. If we want multiple option to be chosen, then we have to choose the check boxes. Otherwise, we can choose radio button for one option. So let's go ahead and see how we can enter radio button or check boxes in an Excel. First of all, for your reference, let me tell you I am using Excel 2016. So if you have developer button in your Excel sheet, developer tab, it's fine. If you don't have developer a tab, then you need to go to your file and then option, and under option you can go to customize ribbon. So you need to insert it from here. Can you see it? Once you insert it from here, this is not gonna appear here, so it will go here. Since I have already added that, you cannot see it here, but uh, yeah, you can, but this is how you can do this, and then click OK. You will get this developer tab here. uh, After that, once you get this developer tab, we are talking about how to enter radio buttons or check boxes. So suppose you want to enter a radio button here. You need to go to insert and under form controls. Please do not go to ActiveX controls. Go to form controls, and we are looking for radio button which looks like this. So we need to select that, and we just need to click in this. We can adjust the size as per our preference. Since we need to adjust in the cell, so let's make it little smaller, and here we have this radio button. We can copy. If we need multiple radio button, then we can copy and paste anywhere wherever we want. And if you see, we will be able to select either one of them. We cannot select multiple options here. So yeah, you can drag it here, so don't be confused. If you want this radio button to in this one, and in this radio button in this cell, then you can drag it here. So it's up to you. I also said that you can minimize or maximize the size of your radio button. So as you right click on this, you can minimize or maximize the size of your radio button. If you want to remove this text which is appearing like option, don't need to do, just right click here, and then this one you can delete. Wow, so this is how it is going to look, our radio button. Now let's learn about the check boxes. As I said, in some of the instances we need to select multiple options, and in that case if we take radio button, then in radio button it will not allow us to choose multiple options. We can choose only one options. So in that cases, check boxes are really helpful for us. How we can get the check boxes? Again, we need to follow the same procedure. We need to go to insert, under developer tab, insert, and under form control. Can you see this little check box here? You just need to click on this, and you will get this plus cursor sign, and wherever you click you will be able to create a checkbox. Now if you copy this checkbox and if you paste multiple times, then you can see this, we can select multiple choices. Can you see it? We can select all of them, we can untick all of them. It's up to us. So this is what I wanted to teach you guys today. I hope it was helpful for you. If you like my tutorial, you can go ahead and please subscribe my channel. It will give me encouragement to make more videos for you guys. Thank you very much, and if you have any comment, you can write down below in comment section. Thank you very much and see you soon.